Hey guys, it's me coming to you with a quick little layout, mainly because I didn't get to you guys Saturday. My in-laws had a family reunion, so we were pretty much with them the whole weekend, so I wasn't able to get one up. So anyway, this is of my aunt and my uncle. This is my aunt on my father's side, and this was a Christmas last year, and it had another border on it of dark green, like a tree type dark green, but I just trimmed that off. You can still see a little bit on the edge here, but I didn't think I could make it work. Oh, there it goes right there. That I didn't think I could make it work, so I opted to just take it out. These are a bunch of just random pieces of paper I pulled to, I think this one's adhesive. Anyway, to use up my, stash. And as you can tell, I did already kind of plan it out a smidgen to kind of keep the video shorter. But I hope y'all's week is going well. I know this sheet came from a Simple Stories pack. That I know. And then this piece of paper I pulled because, can you tell you, it's got like, it looks like snow. And they live in Tennessee, so it's fitting. But it's a paper pad that I am almost done with. I mean, on the cusp of throwing it away, like tearing out the last few sheets of paper and putting them in my extra pile or something, but haven't quite got that far with it. I haven't gotten a whole lot done just in general with officially being 7 months pregnant and 100 degrees every day. It's hard. But I knew you guys, I don't know if you've been on my channel for a while, I don't really celebrate Christmas the traditional Santa Claus, Rudolph, and all that. So I knew I wasn't going to have a whole lot of embellishments, but like this little paper has little reindeers on it, so it was in my stash, so I used it. This is excuse me for my being out of breath. I can't help it right now. But this is from an ephemera pack. I think I have 4 sayings left, and so that'll be a focus of mine when I'm doing 12 by 12 layouts, though, because they're kind of big. Yeah, so and I thought this was really adorable because this is her second husband, and they are super adorable together. I'm telling you, you guys, it's just so cute. This is a piece of wood veneer, and I'm hoping it I didn't think that one through. I'm hoping it sticks really well with, I guess I could have cut that out, huh? Dang it. Oh well. Oh no. Why is this video going haywire on me? Hope I don't know what I was saying, sorry. I guess it's better that it fell apart in my hand than in a scrapbook 10 years from now. And that'd be a bad thing. Shoot. Hopefully that, man, did I get that all over me? Yes. Anyway, I'm gonna put a block on that. Keep it down for a few minutes. That's probably not heavy enough. Okay. And then I have this piece here that I wanted to use with, I think it was a turquoise I wanted to add in here. Ugh, man, why is nothing working with me today? Maybe I shouldn't do a video. Are you kidding me? Thinking this brown, but now I'm thinking no. Maybe I'll go with the pink. Is that going to... Oh, that's going to cover it all the way up. Jeez-a-loo. Okay. We'll just go throw that one away because it's working my nerves. There we go. Okay, that's better. Bring in this turquoise. And I was thinking red because some of the accents are kind of red-ish. Bringing this other one. Wonder if that's going to be... That should work. Are you going to stay in there? Let's see here. There we go. Well, if this isn't the craziest video I've ever done, let me know. Let me know. Now, that's going to pop up anyways. And that is a cleared sticker pack. Thank you, thank you. Now, celebrate. I think... Yeah, I like that right there. Oh yeah, I forgot about this one over here. Family fun. All right. Now, I don't know if I showed you guys. You remember that ephemera pack I was working with? I just finished those Mother's Day cards. grandmother's day. It was pretty cool. I love the way they turned out. These pink ones are super duper cute. Oh no, those are diagonal. Never mind, that's not going to work. There we go. I think those are too bright. Some gold Nouveaus. Because can you ever really go wrong with Nouveau drops? No. Okay. Not too bad considering everything I just went through. For a 12-minute page, 10-minute page. We'll say 10 just because, you know, that sounds better. Pardon me. Anyway, hope you guys have a great day. Great rest of your week. And I'm hoping to get back on here, excuse me, so sorry, Saturday, but we'll see how it goes. See you guys later. Bye.